Measuring time. How do we measure time? Seconds, minutes, hours. We use these measurements of time to help us stay on time. Think about where you see clocks. They're on wristwatches, on classroom walls, in train stations, and on cell phones. People check the time many times a day. People think about the time all day long. You want to get to school on time. Your parents want you to go to bed on time. Everyone has a schedule. That's why you see clocks all around. A clock divides the day into equal parts. Each hour has 60 minutes. Every minute has 60 seconds. We use hours and minutes to organize our schedules every day. People use clocks all day long. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 7 days in each week. Do you know what day today is? We name the days for the same reason that we use clocks with hours and minutes. They help people to measure time. If your friend invited you to play at his house on Friday, you wouldn't want to show up on Thursday by mistake. For kids, Mondays through Fridays are typical school days. For adults, that stretch of 5 days is often called the work week. Luckily for everyone, Saturdays and Sundays come every weekend. Many adults don't work on the weekend, and most children don't have school. So weekends are the perfect time to relax and have some fun. Many families treat every weekend like it is a special occasion because it is a time to be together. Some families have family nights with movies and popcorn. Other families take trips to the zoo, ride bikes, or just stay home and play games together. Some kids have a soccer game every Saturday. Some have a piano lesson every Tuesday. How does your family keep track of activities like these? Many families write everything down on a monthly calendar. Calendars help us to track days, weeks, and months. They help us organize our plans. Some families hang a 12-month calendar in the kitchen. They mark everybody's activities and important events on it. If you flip through a calendar, you will see all 12 months of the year. A month has between 28 and 31 days. Every month has special celebrations or holidays. Look through a calendar to find out what is coming up next. Calendars are a fun and helpful way to plan your days, weeks, and months. You can look through a calendar and keep track of the time until your favorite holiday. A year is a long time, but how long is it? Well, it depends on how you measure the time. A year is 365 days, but it's also 52 weeks. And don't forget about months. How many months make up a year? 12. Just as minutes make up an hour, seasons make up a year. The change from one season to the next happens every 3 months, giving us 4 seasons to enjoy every year. In many places, the weather changes as the season does. It doesn't change immediately, but it changes a little every day. In the spring, buds appear on trees and flowers blossom. The summer brings warmer weather and summer vacation. In autumn, the air turns cooler in many places. Green leaves turn red, orange, and yellow, and then fall off the trees. Next up is winter, and lots of snow may fall if you're in the northern United States. And snow means sledding. As the seasons change, they remind us that time is passing too. Soon another year will begin, and that means more days, weeks, months, and seasons to enjoy.